Properties are a great way to make your Cadasio presentations and layouts more dynamic by automatically updating content based on project data. Properties are created in the dashboard under the Library section. You can create properties for use in both the designer and layouts. As you can see, I already have a few properties created, but let's create a new one. Click the plus icon, give the property a name, such as order number, and then choose its scope. In this example, I'll make it available to projects. But what can we actually do with properties? In 3D presentations, properties can be used inside Toolbox text elements by inserting a meta property. However, they're most commonly used in overlays and forms. In the Overlay Builder, whenever you add a text element, you can insert properties directly into the text. When that overlay is used in a project, the values will automatically populate with the correct information. Forms offer even more flexibility. Anywhere you see the curly bracket icon on an input control, you can insert a property. This is a great way to ensure information such as project names, required personnel, timings, or other project-specific details are always accurate and up to date. To actually populate the values inside the designer, you can access properties using the Properties tool on the left-hand side. From here, I can enter the relevant information for this project. Properties are also extremely useful in layouts. You can insert properties into any text field, either by typing the property token manually or by selecting it from the drop-down menu. Layouts can use properties from two different sources, the layout itself or the linked project. There are also several predefined properties available, including the project name, page number, and step index. On this title page, I'll add a few text fields. The first will display the project name. Next, I'll add another field for the order number. Both of these values will come from the linked 3D project. Finally, I'll add a field for the revision number, which will come from the layout itself. To populate layout properties, simply open the Properties tab and fill in the relevant values. Once you save, any inserted properties will automatically update. In this case, the revision number is updated. To display properties from a project, the text must be grouped with a project image. I already have a project image on this page, so I'll select both the image and the two text elements, then group them together. As you can see, the property placeholders are immediately replaced with the actual project values. One of the great advantages of layouts is that they can be saved as templates. This allows you to reuse them in the future, and whenever you drop in a different project image, the properties will automatically update to match the new project. If you ever find yourself in a situation where a colleague has updated project properties while you're working on a layout, simply open the File menu and select Refresh. Cadasio will update the document with the latest project information. Properties are a simple yet powerful feature that help transform static content into dynamic, reusable assets. I hope you found this video useful. Be sure to follow Cadasio on your favorite social media channels for more tips, tricks, and best practices.